Those out of the way. The power supply is still connected to the motherboard in 3 different areas. The first one right up front, there's a couple of brown wires and a couple of black wires and a little retaining clip. And so it's got a little 4-point plug on there. I'm just going to push down on that retaining clip and pull straight up, and this plug should come loose. See the little clip goes right there on the front.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. And then that should pull straight up. Okay. And so that's the little guy, and then its big brother's back here in the back, and that's a 20-pin clip, and it's got that little retaining clip as well. And this one you may need to use both hands, and you may need to wiggle a little bit, but it should come straight up and come off. And directly behind it is a little 4-pin plug that's brown. So we want to wiggle it off of there. And once you do that, your power supply is essentially disconnected from the board. So don't pull it by the wires, use the clip. Yeah, and if you need to use both hands, feel free to do so. Do it like this. You think these are bad when they're brand new, or they've only been on there once or twice? They're very difficult to get off. Yeah, it's because they've been apart several times. And then the little brown one, take it loose. This guy here, you got it? There you go. Okay, and so once those connectors are off, that one should pull straight up. So once those are loose, this is disconnected from the board. Now we got to get it out of the case housing. And you'll see if you look down in here, go ahead and hold the camera down in there. There's some little slots in here, and what we want to do is we want to get that out of there. Now the way we get it out of there, on mine you can see right here, if it's all the way back like this, it's not going to work. You got to kind of tilt it forward a little bit, and then push it forward, and you'll hear it pop. And then you can lift it straight up and it comes out.